If your GMC Acadia won't start and all you hear is a high-pitched whirring sound, you've likely got a specific mechanical failure. In over 80% of these cases, the starter motor is spinning, but failing to engage the engine's flywheel. Let's break down exactly how to confirm the culprit before you spend money on parts. Before diving in, ensure your battery is fully charged, as low voltage can prevent the starter from kicking out properly. That whirring noise is the electric motor spinning freely because the Bendix gear hasn't extended to grab the engine. While less common on the Acadia, a damaged flex plate or loose mounting bolts can also cause this misalignment. A light tap with a wrench might get you home once, but a whirring starter requires a full replacement to be reliable. Expect to pay between $400 and $700 at a shop, though DIYers can save significantly on parts. When replacing the starter, always disconnect your battery first to avoid a dangerous short circuit. You will need metric sockets and several long extensions to reach the upper bolts on the Acadia's engine block. Always check the teeth on the engine side while the starter is out to ensure the new part won't be damaged. Swap that starter and get your Acadia back on the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.